Hello, namaste, salam, sat sri akal, bonjour, hola, ciao. My name is Abhinav Tareja, and I am the early stage researcher 10 working at the University of Birmingham, UK. I come from India, and no, I'm not a snake charmer. I mean, not all of us are. I was born and grew up in Delhi, the capital city of India. Growing up, I had always aspired to be a scientist, so I decided to study science in senior school, where I had particular interest in biology and biomedical sciences. I was profoundly curious for new technologies and experimentation, so eventually took up nanotechnology in university and graduated with a bachelor's and master's dual engineering degree in nanotechnology in 2018 from Amity University in Delhi, wherein I studied the physical, chemical, and biological properties of different nanomaterials and their applications thereof. I was mesmerized by quantum properties of nanomaterials and how they could be feasibly exploited for applications in medicine. And for my master's, I specialized in drug delivery using nanomaterials. During my final year in university, I obtained a 6 months scholarship at École Normale Supérieure in Paris, France, for my master's project, where I worked in a CNRS research group named Institute of Porous Materials of Paris with Dr. Christian Serre on drug delivery with nanostructured metal organic frameworks. It was a golden opportunity for me to accomplish an excellent hands-on experience with the designing of novel and efficient biocompatible carriers for challenging drugs and a whole lot of material characterization techniques, along with an international exposure to working in overwhelming scientific environments with the best of scholars outside India. And then the next obvious step to foster my academic career was a PhD. So I started exploring the opportunities all across the world and specifically in Europe, and was successful with my application with Orbital, which indeed is a dream come true for me. My project involves the use of penetration enhancers for increasing the bioavailability of neuroprotective drugs through topical eye drop formulations into the posterior segment tissues of the eye, which is inhibited by the various physiological and anatomical defensive ocular barriers like cornea, conjunctiva, sclera, choroid, aqueous, lens, and vitreous, to treat the diseases of the back of the eye like age-related macular degeneration and diabetic eye disease non-invasively. This will also help in avoiding the complications associated with conventional invasive treatments like intraocular injections for such diseases. I work with the most amazing supervisor, Dr. Zubair Ahmed, and his team of young scientists in neuroscience and ophthalmology research group based in the Institute of Inflammation and Aging in the College of Medical and Dental Sciences at the University of Birmingham. And I must say, he truly epitomizes the saying that a good teacher is a true friend, philosopher, and guide. I genuinely believe that this project will help me develop advanced skills in drug delivery technologies to treat complex diseases, and specifically the skills in biological evaluation of drug delivery carriers, while concurrently employing the skills that I have acquired so far and my scientific temperament to enable this technology and progress towards a professional career in this field. Orbital in itself is a very unique consortium involving some of the most prestigious institutions and most eminent academic and industrial scientists from across the globe, working collaboratively on groundbreaking interdisciplinary research modules and different projects, but all working to achieve a common goal, that is to treat the diseases of the back of the eye. This also means more ideas and wider dissemination of research, and I will also have the opportunity to travel to different countries for secondments for a better exposure, as well as making lots of friends along the way with all my fellow ESR colleagues. And by means of industrial secondments, Orbital also provides a holistic approach in training of ESRs and a scope for a career in industry. In my free time, I like to do some Urdu poetry besides being a crazy bathroom singer. I love traveling and exploring new places, meeting new people, and getting to know their cultures, and most importantly, the food that comes with it. I also enjoy adventure sports a lot and wish to learn skydiving and surfing while I travel across the world. I'm already having a lot of fun here in the UK, There is a thriving South Asian diaspora community here, and I'm also contributing to the reverse colonization of this beautiful island country. And it almost feels like a home away from home. And though these are trying times, we are all but trying our best, and I hope this pandemic goes away soon. Thank you.